As a mom of two, y'all, the worst feeling is when you can't find what you're looking for. When you're like sifting through your purse and you're like, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I can't find it. So I wanted to show you what's in my purse and how I actually organize my purse. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We're back for another video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys what's in my purse and how I have it organized. This is a question I get all the time. So I wanted to show you what's in my purse and how I actually organize my purse. Because as a mom of two, y'all, the worst feeling is when you can't find what you're looking for. When you're like sifting through your purse and you're like, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I can't find it. So for me, having an organized purse has been so helpful and has helped me to be able to quickly find what I'm looking for. Or if I send somebody to my purse to grab something out of it, they can find it too. I cannot tell you the countless amount of times I have to send my son or my husband to my purse to grab something out. And it's just been so much easier telling them just to grab like a certain pouch or something in my purse. Okay, let me show you the purse that I'm working with. This is it. Oh, isn't it cute? This is from Amazon and I will link it. Totally cute purse. I love the little designs and I like it like summer-ish too, so it can like go with lots of outfits, pretty much practically everything. I'm gonna unpack it. I'm gonna show you what's in it. So opening this up, I'm gonna try this vlog style. So I know last time I did it as an overlay, but I'm gonna try vlog style and y'all let me know how you like it. So this is how it's packed to give you a close-up picture of like how it's all stuffed in here, but everything is literally in a place. So taking this stuff out, I guess I always start with the obvious and work our way to some of the stuff you may not have thought about. How about that? Okay, because I got some stuff in here that, you know, is I think pretty genius and also great to have as a mom too. So the wallet, of course, you got to have the wallet, but I got this compact wallet. This is it, which is amazing. It's cute. And it's like stylish. It's like leather too. It has a coin purse right here, you know, so you can put your coins in. And then opening this up, we got some card holders. And then you also have little storage spaces up under the card spot. So 2 storage spaces up under the card spot. These are must-haves too. In case your wallet may not be RFID blocking, a lot of wallets are nowadays, but not all of them are. You might want to get one of these to go in your wallets. These are RFID blocking cards that protect your credit cards and debit cards from hackers. Like when they walk by, they have these scanners and can scan your cards, but these blocks an inch on each side. So these are really genius. Great to have. We literally know somebody that has happened to. They got their credit card information just by walking by them. And that's how the bank said that they got them. So definitely make sure you're protecting your cards from scanners. You can grab these and I will link them from Walmart too. So, and I will also link little pouches too, because if you use like the pouches, you can always just use the pouch too that you can put your cards in as well. But I just keep that stuck in there too. So that's my wallet. Cute, right? Moving on to my next, like I have this on the top. This is my easy accessible little pouch. And to give you a close-up view, it's like mesh. So you can actually kind of see through it. And inside here, I do have lotion. Gotta have me some hand lotion. This is Nivea's Soft. I keep this with me because I keep dry hands. Makeup remover in case we're out and I need one. That has definitely saved my life plenty of times, like traveling and I just wanted to clean my face. Hand sanitizer, love those. A comb, always need a ponytail holder or a scrunchie. Always, always, always. And a lip balm. Definitely want some lip balm. Absolute must. And a nail filer. Have to have me a nail filer at all times. I got a rubber band in here too, so. This is just like my essentials. We'll call this the essentials pouch. How about that? So that's that. Putting all that back in there real quickly. I just keep that in this pouch again. So in case I need any of that, I can easily find it. It's not all over my purse. They're right in my essentials. My next bag. This is my batteries charger bag. Backup power source bag. We'll call that the backup power pouch. Backup power pouch. How does that sound? Anyway, so in this little pouch, I have 2 phone chargers. Yes, 2. I keep 2 on me at all times. I already have tons of phones because I'm always filming, always shooting, I'm always on my phone, and it's just like I cannot have my phone die. So I have 2 chargers in this. I'll take them out so you can see them. So inside the pouch, I have these 2 chargers. This one is a charge card and it does have the charger cable on here. They give you a lot of them. I got the USB-C on it because that's usually what I have my Samsung. I usually don't really have my iPhone with me. This is another charger too, that this one's more powerful than this one. So if you notice, this one is like twice as big. This is like a card. You can put this in your wallet too. Great for guys. Great gift idea as well. You can set this in your wallet if you want to. I got the bigger one because this one's more heavy duty, but it's still slim. As you can see, it's still slim too. This also has a little cable on it too that comes with. Love, love, love those. But gotta have my power source. So this is the power bank pouch. So when I need a backup, source of power for my phone, I got it. In the bottom of my pouch, I have this, which holds my car key. Again, it's RFID blocking, so people won't scan your vehicle information, y'all. That is happening. So protect your key cards. So yeah, I got that. That's at the bottom of my purse. Now, another thing that is in the bottom of my purse is this little pouch. This is my candy pouch. Yeah, candy pouch. So in here is my candies, my throat drops, cough drops, any of that. You can kind of see candy and throat drops. So again, candy's not all over my purse. When I need my piece of candy or I need a cough drop, I know where to go. I can find them. Always keep me some Kleenex. I like these little slim pouches. They don't take up a lot of space. Always keep Kleenex with me. And I got kids too, so runny noses. I also keep this pouch, and these are like the squeeze ones. So cute. So in here I have my feminine products. I can show you, So I got some liners and pads in that. So keep that in me. Does not take a lot of space either. This is in my actual little zipper part, like my little side pouch. These are keys. So mailbox keys, just a lot of my keys I keep in here. So anytime I need my keys, they're just in here. Or if the husband is like going to the mailbox, he can just go grab this out. Again, I don't like keys everywhere. Everything easy, find, easy grab and go. I also have this pouch. We'll call this the first aid pouch. How about that? Again, I love these because they don't take up a lot of space. They can be squished, which is nice. But, they are the squeeze open. And inside here is all my first aid stuff. So I'm going to just literally like pull all of this out so you can kind of see. I have it organized, but, pulling it out. So first up, I do have these little Zyrtec chewables. We have allergies really bad. And I got the chewables so we can take them at any time and don't need like something to drink or any of that. So these are amazing. Have saved us. They have saved even our friends because we've been out allergies while we're out. It's like, here, you want a Zyrtec? So got these chewables that I keep in here. I always keep honey. These are raw honey packets that I keep in here too. Again, great for coughs. Oh, the throat, the coughs, any of that. Or if you're just really hungry too, honey is amazing. But for me or the kids, remember, kids over 1, that is. But yeah, great for sore throats, great for coughing, any of that. I keep that. I keep these little compressed cloths. These, once water hits them, they become a wet wipe. So you can use these for a lot. Wash your face, wash your hands, washing off something sticky, wiping stuff down. You can use these for absolutely so much cleaning, all of that. So I keep these with me to have. This is my BandAid section. So in my BandAid section, I have alcohol wipes for, getting cuts and scrapes and stuff. I keep ointment. So these are little ointment pouches. Again, great for cuts, scrapes, any of that. And then I also have bandages in here too. It's just different sizes, different types, but I keep bandages. Again, with us, with our kids, even my feet sometimes, the heel, you need a Band-Aid. Now, I also have Motrin in this too. These are like little individual packs of Motrin. I keep in here when I need it or someone around me needs it. Keep a couple at once for the kids, especially. And then I also keep these Pure Fresh wipes, which are amazing. Great for sensitive skin, and they're flushable. So if you need to do a quick refresh, these are amazing. I cannot tell y'all how many times you use these, even on kids. Like if they boo-boo, you can wipe them off with these. These are amazing. So all of that is kept in this little pouch right here. Yeah, so I just emptied it out for you. I'm going to put all that back and tell you what else is in my purse. I got it all back in there. I'll show you. See, it's all in there. Now, that is all in my big section. That was all in there. In this section right here, I'll show you what I keep in this. I keep a Tide to go pen, keep a writing utensil, and a little notepad. That's all that is in my purse. Like I said, as a mom of two, like now I don't carry a lot of big purses. I used to, like when I was single, but I don't now because we usually have a diaper bag with us of some sort. I do carry small purses. And I keep stuff in the diaper bag too. I kind of double pack sometimes because sometimes I don't take my purse. I might, you know, leave it to the house or wherever. And I just rely on a diaper bag. So I usually kind of have doubles and dupes of things in both bags because sometimes we'll leave the diaper bag like in the truck or something if we're going in like, you know, restaurant or going in somewhere, not staying long. So I always keep dupes in both my purse or my kids' bag. But if y'all want to know what's in my kids' bag, my diaper bag, y'all drop me a comment, let me know, and I will see to trying to make that happen. But I hope you guys enjoyed, found helpful. If you have other things you keep in your purse, drop a comment and let us know, because this is not all too. Like I have a kids restaurant bag that I call activity bag too, so that can keep your kids busy, like at the doctor's office or the restaurants. I can come do and show you what's in that too. I have an old one. I need to do a new updated one because I do have a baby now too. But let me know if you guys enjoy. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.